I'm going to give a quick preview here of dropping in some relative spaced objects kind of on a X, Y, and Z axes. So what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to do, go and pick a three-dimensional object. Now I can go through and pick different shapes, or let's see, in this one here I'm going to do a sphere. So what I'm going to drop the sphere. I'm going to change the size here real quick. I'll do 3, 3, 3, and I'm okay. So I'm going to leave it here. And in there, in the relative space, I'll just drag it down. And now if I take it off the screen, it'll just go right out if I go down. So what I'll do is I'll go in, I'm going to drag another one in. Take another one in. Last one I just did 3 for size. This one I'm just going to go to 2. So I can put this anywhere, so obviously it gives you an idea what I'm kind of doing there. And then go in and do another one. Sphere, okay. This time I'll just make it 1. If I want to make the actual snowman, I'd have done it a little different, but I don't like to use halves. It takes a little longer doing halves, but okay. So I'll go in and draw another object. Let's see. I'll go in here and click cylinder now. So it dropped it in there. So on the cylinder, if you know, it's obviously there's a top part of a hat. I'll go in and make one more. So there we saw a cylinder. So now I can make the top of a hat. I gotta see about, it may not line up right though for the snowman, but I can make it work. So I think it's going to be, I think I need a decimal, nope. I'm trying to get it. And then you can go around and position them. Like I can see if you know how centered they are. That one there, I could actually go into drag the, you know, I could see the top was a little bit off, so I can actually go around and just reposition and center everything. But being able to map around these types of objects, you know, to go in and if we had these, I'm just saying, for example, if this was really wild, this would really not be in a Christmas show. But if we wanted to, it gives you an idea of, you know, the abilities that we could be able to present, and then to map it, you know, you can actually map things or sequence in different ways than wherever really possible with the softwares that we currently use. I just wanted to throw a demo to show, you know, some of the softwares. Now there's a few other ones, but I kind of liked this one. There's a few other things we could do, and we could even build our own three-dimensional objects. For example, we could even just take, say, you know, take a shape that exists, slightly alter it, throw it back in there, and see what that looks like. So then I can see what that looks like on a three-dimensional level. There's just so many options with some of the tools that are out there, but this was one that I found that I really liked, and then I could save the new ones into the software and have them for access later. But hopefully you get the idea. I just want to give a little preview of some of the stuff I had been looking into, but there was some other softwares I've looked into, and if anybody would like a preview, Magix is certainly a cool software choice, but there's so much complexity to that. It was significantly longer, and I haven't even gotten to the point to build a snowman that fast. but it took me a long time. This software is, ease of use was a little better than most of them. Combined with the ability, it was kind of my favorite choice to preview this type of thing, though. That's about it.